Hello, my name is Maycon and I am from the M Reviews channel, and today we have prepared a full review video with everything you need to know before you buy Ikaria Lean Belly Juice. I also have some really important alerts, which I will talk about throughout the video, so pay close attention so that you don't make mistakes when using or purchasing Ikaria Lean Belly Juice. The first thing you need to know about Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is, be careful about the website you will buy Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, because Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So what is Ikaria Lean Belly Juice and really works? And the answer is yes. Ikaria Lean Belly Juice works, and after many laboratory tests, the researchers identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients, that it is more than just a typical dietary supplement. This supplement has been meticulously crafted after years of clinical studies and research to provide your body with a spectrum of weight loss benefits. All the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice ingredients are natural in nature and have been known to provide weight loss benefits for decades. The dietary supplement has been manufactured in an FDA-approved facility and is packed with organic elements like milk thistle, blueberry powder, hibiscus, blackcurrant, and others. This fat-burning supplement has been carefully designed to work wonders inside your body, reduce uric acid levels, and help in the process of weight loss. Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is a complete weight loss solution that provides you with healthy blood pressure and aids in the detoxification of your body. It works by promoting overall health and speeding up your healthy weight loss process, and also preventing weight gain at the same time. What are the all-natural Ikaria Lean Belly Juice ingredients present in the powerful formula? Milk thistle, citrus pectin, Panax ginseng, taraxacum, bioperine, hibiscus, HGG strawberry extract, acai berry extract, African mango extract, blackcurrant extract, beetroot. Milk thistle has been shown to increase metabolism, which can lead to weight loss. Chronic inflammation is linked to obesity and weight gain. One way in which citrus pectin helps promote weight loss is by controlling appetite. When consumed, citrus pectin forms a gel-like substance in the stomach, which slows down the digestive process and makes you feel fuller for longer periods of time. One of the main ways that Panax ginseng promotes weight loss is by regulating blood sugar levels. When blood sugar levels are high, the body produces insulin to help bring them back down. Taraxacum is another Ikaria Lean Belly Juice ingredient that belongs to the Asteraceae family. It is native to Europe and Asia, but it has spread to other parts of the world, including North America. The plant has a long history of use in traditional medicine, where it has been used to treat various conditions, including liver and kidney problems, digestive issues, and skin ailments. Bioperine, another Ikaria Lean Belly Juice ingredient, is a patented extract of black pepper that is derived from the fruit of the Piper nigrum plant. It contains a natural compound called piperine, which is responsible for its weight loss properties. Hibiscus is a plant that belongs to the mallow family. It is native to tropical regions and is commonly found in Asia, Africa, and the Caribbean. One of the ways that hibiscus promotes weight loss is by reducing the absorption of carbohydrates. HGG has been shown to increase metabolic rate, which means your body burns more calories at rest. This is because HGG activates thermogenesis, a process where your body produces heat by burning fat. Strawberry extract contains various active ingredients that can help promote fat burning. One of the most important ingredients is anthocyanin, which is a type of flavonoid that is responsible for the red color of strawberries. Anthocyanin has been found to increase the production of adiponectin, a hormone that helps regulate glucose levels and break down fats in the body. Acai berry extract is believed to boost metabolism, which is the rate at which your body burns calories. This is due to the presence of flavonoids and polyphenols, which are antioxidants that have been shown to increase energy expenditure in the body. When your metabolism is increased, your body burns more calories throughout the day, even when you're not exercising. African mango extract contains a variety of active ingredients that are believed to promote weight loss. One of the most important of these is a substance called Ervingia gabonensis, which is found in the seeds of the African mango tree. Ervingia gabonensis is a type of soluble fiber that has been shown to have a number of beneficial effects on the body. Black currant extract contains several active ingredients that promote fat burning. One of the most important of these is anthocyanins, which are a type of flavonoid. Anthocyanins have been shown to increase the body's production of adiponectin, a hormone that plays a key role in regulating metabolism and promoting fat burning. Adiponectin helps to increase the body's sensitivity to insulin, which in turn helps to reduce the amount of glucose in the bloodstream. Beetroot contains a compound called betaine, which has been shown to promote fat burning. Betaine is an amino acid that helps to reduce the accumulation of fat in the liver. When the liver is overloaded with fat, it cannot function properly, which can lead to weight gain and other health problems. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, including on the official website contains numerous testimonials from customers who have used Icaria Lean Belly Juice, and you can have results too. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so you can be realistic about your treatment and expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can actually test Icaria Lean Belly Juice during 18 days, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they give you your money back. So be safe to use the Icaria Lean Belly Juice, but rest assured that you are buying on the official website to ensure the benefits of the warranty. Also, for Icaria Lean Belly Juice to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every day. As per the official website, you should mix 3.2 grams or 1 scoop of Icaria Lean Belly Juice powder with either water or any other beverage of your choice, like smoothies. If you continue drinking Lean Belly Juice as per the recommended dosage, you will be able to see huge changes in your body weight in no time. The most interesting thing about Icaria Lean Belly Juice is that its weight loss formula comes in powdered form, which makes it very easy to get mixed with your body cells. Hence, it is able to work effectively and smoothly to cut down your fat cells and help you lose excess weight easily by balancing uric acid. Though, always remember to back up the intake with a healthy diet and regular exercise routine, or else you will not see great results and you will really get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people get better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Icaria Lean Belly Juice has no side effects as it is natural. So, I decided to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the site you will buy Icaria Lean Belly Juice, and also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video has helped you, and also hope that Icaria Lean Belly Juice really helps a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe here on this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you later.